what I really want to know is how you think about yourself as a CXO. What is the role of being a chief experience officer?
Every single person in Wheels Up is responsible for the member experience. Right. Period. Doesn't make a difference what you do. If you're a finance person, if the billing's wrong, that's a problem, right? So everybody's responsible for it. But, to make sure that it resides in one place to see the picture holistically, I mean, we should all be obsessive about it. I am completely obsessive about it, right? And making sure that we see the full picture from beginning to end, because as much, even though everybody is responsible for it, how they address it could be very different. And the one thing that we've learned over the years in commercial and even private is people want a consistent experience from beginning to end. Right. I mean, I did a focus group with on the commercial side of some folks who were loyalists to a different airline. And they said, look, and this was earlier on in the Delta days when perhaps Delta wasn't where they are now. And these people said, look, we're loyal to this other airline, even though they're mediocre, because we know they're always going to be mediocre. Every time I get on, it's going to be a mediocre experience. With you, we never know what we get. We're going to have something really great and you're going to totally miss the mark, and you're going to go back and forth between what types of airplanes you're using and do you have the right product and everything else. And so, I think, part of my role is to really, drive, consistency across the entire organization to make sure as much as everybody takes on that responsibility of member experience, that we're doing it in a manner that's thoughtful, consistent, and so in a manner that people aren't scratching their heads depending on who they call in member services or what they do if something goes wrong. One person kind of hopefully, it's my team that can really help put a picture behind it and really put the plan together, and then all of us are engaged in doing it together.